everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways, well actually 3 different ways of how to fart. Sorry guys, that was my sister, she's so annoying. So not to fart, okay? Not to fart, to add your own voice. So I go to the sounds tab instead. Oh, I hate pops. So here, as you can see, choose a sound, record a sound, surprise sound, and upload a sound. And now I'm going to choose the sounds from loops. I already showed you all these. I like to use piano, actually. Piano. Yeah, I like that. So this is the first one. The second one is you can record your own sound. Just listen. Hi everyone, welcome to my first channel. And then you can listen to it. Hi everyone, welcome to my first. So that was not so good, I guess. Hi everyone, this is my first channel. I hope that works. Hi everyone, this is my first channel. So yeah, you can make it louder, softer, faster. Hi everyone, this is my first. Hi everyone, this is my first channel. It's really cute if you make it faster because it will make your sound go faster and make it squeakier. Now we go to the surprise sound where you can actually have something. Oh, space ripple. Cool. And also, that was the spread. Last one is upload sound. Actually, I don't really know how to upload a sound, but I do know how to upload a sound from YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, you can just click at your picture here, just right here, and you go to what YouTube Studio maybe. I forgot. So let's see now. Hurry. Just wait one moment. Okay, so you went to your channel, and here you can see audio library. Here you can actually download music for your YouTube channels, YouTube videos. So I already have downloaded some. So yeah, you can upload from YouTube. But yeah, audio library. But from YouTube, I don't really know that because I haven't really learned that yet. Music. Breathe. So if you upload your characters and your backdrops and your voices, you will actually get, what is it called? Get a really nice oh wait, no, actually not nice. Sorry guys, my sister is really annoying. Just wait a sec, okay? Sorry, that's what happens if you have a sister, actually. Like mine. Okay, so back, focus. So every time if you wanna upload a scratch character from your computer, backdrops and sounds, it's gonna import a little bit long. So let's listen to this. That sounds nice. So yeah, that was it of how to 4 different ways to upload your own songs and voices. Bye. Oh, always forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Okay, bye.